In this video, we will tell you how you could get out of poverty and become rich quickly. All my friends have used these and they are really doing well financially. Watch this video till the end where you may miss some crucial rules and guidelines. Now let's start. 1. Obtaining a quality education. One of the first stages toward escaping poverty is obtaining a decent education, and more especially, a decent education in household financial management. Although it is preferable to receive financial education lessons in school, adults may still learn the essentials, such as how to handle their money better, on their own. The FDIC's How Money Smart Are You? Is one resource that can run you through the fundamentals. Additionally, there are several adult education programs that cover topics related to personal finance. Online courses and books may help you increase your financial IQ and make wise decisions with your money. 2. Having a trusted guide. An excellent mentor is a priceless asset for any learner, and avoiding situational poverty is no exception. With the guidance of an experienced financial expert, you may overcome poverty by learning to manage your money better and save more. Locating a financial mentor is possible via a variety of means. You may either ask a friend or family member for recommendations of excellent financial managers, or you can search online. Participating organizations provide financial mentoring programs. Examples include T. Rowe Price and the Financial Services Alliance for Women. Exercise caution while doing searches online. When you ask individuals in your network for recommendations, you can be confident they've done their due diligence. When money is tight, the last thing you need is a con artist who will take your money and refuse to deliver. If you want to know amazing tricks to get rich quickly, then do press the subscribe button and also the like button. 3. Making the most of public and private dollars. When it comes to community and government resources, there is no scarcity of options for those facing situational poverty. Support may be found at your town's churches, schools, community centers, and public libraries. If you can't find what you need inside your neighborhood, there are plenty of government options available. You may be eligible for benefits such as the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, or the Child Tax Credit, for instance. For eligibility in a plethora of government programs, poverty level is an important factor. There is a database of programs maintained by the United States Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, for boosting your financial outlook. Both the ability to achieve your goals and the obstacles you face are closely related to your thinking. Try to enhance your money thinking. It will be rewarding. Keep in mind that being in a less fortunate financial position is usually only a short setback. This is particularly the case if you fell into a deep financial hole due to a combination of poor financial decisions and even natural disasters. Although challenging, they are transitory situations. You can achieve your goals if you take care of your finances and read some books and obviously watch our videos. 5. Establishing objectives regarding funds. Whether you are living paycheck to paycheck or not, it is crucial to set financial objectives. When you're trying to save money, however, it's essential. The setting of monetary objectives might serve as a useful anchor for your efforts. To get out of your situational poverty, sit down and make a plan. Some shared objectives include eliminating high-interest credit card debt and creating a cash flow positive budget. This is an excellent example of how being detailed can contribute much. One option is to make a weekly budget and determine to save $25 by reducing portion sizes at restaurants. Afterwards, you may use that additional cash to pay down your debt. $100 more each month may make a significant difference towards your journey of wealth accumulation. 6. Budgeting consciously. As was previously said, decreasing costs is one part of budgeting that may help you beat poverty. Several approaches exist for this purpose. One strategy for controlling spending is the 30-day rule, which states that one should wait exactly 30 days before buying anything new to allow one's purchasing urges to subside. Many times, it does. Reducing unnecessary expenditure and maximizing your savings is possible with this strategy. Additionally, you should look at methods to reduce your monthly outlays. Having fiscal restraint may be useful in this situation. Consider pausing any streaming services you may have until your finances are in order. Another option is to switch to a prepaid mobile phone plan. This way, you won't have to worry about getting charged automatically and will have more control over your spending. Speaking with your credit card company over the phone could be an additional strategy that helps you get a better interest rate. 7. Reducing your debit. Reminding oneself that borrowing money may be costly is crucial while discussing debt. If you carry a balance on your credit card, for instance, you'll end up paying interest on that amount every month. If you're carrying a lot of debt, paying off the loans with the highest interest rates should be a first priority. To get a low or no interest rate for a certain amount of time, you may investigate balance transfer credit cards. As it provides some relief from a high APR, it might aid in the process of debt reduction. Finally, you might combine your debt by getting a personal loan with a reduced interest rate. Your second choice for dealing with this prevalent facet of poverty is to seek assistance from a nonprofit credit counseling agency. 8. Collaborating with knowledgeable organizations. Building relationships with reliable organizations is another step in improving your financial literacy and escaping poverty. Knowledge is power, and these materials can teach you the ropes of personal finance, from the very beginning to more complex subjects. You may be able to get help from organizations that focus on certain areas of personal finance that have been holding you back. One organization that assists those burdened by substantial debt is the National Foundation for Credit Counseling, NFCC. Another group that works to teach kids about money is Jump Dollar Tart. People in underprivileged areas get financial education via Operation Hope. 9. Avoiding predatory and payday loans. Payday loans are a fast way to get cash when you need it most, but they come with hefty interest and fees. Exorbitant interest rates characterize most of these contracts. You may still wind up paying 4x the interest rate or more, even if state rules cap costs at $30 for every $100 borrowed. Even worse, if you can't repay a payday loan, you may be yourself in a vicious loop where you wind up paying back far more than what you borrowed. Poverty may leave people with little alternatives when it comes to getting their hands on cash. This situation might get much worse if you do not have an emergency fund. Try using some of the tools before you resort to payday loans. That's all for today. Now you know all the tips and tricks that you could use to get out of poverty and become rich. Press the subscribe button to know more amazing tips and tricks to get rich quickly. Many of my friends who were broke and poor before used these tricks, and now they are really doing well financially. If you want to become successful, then you must use these tips and tricks we said in this video. All the millionaires, including Sir Robert Kiyosaki, Elon Musk, Charlie Munger, Jeff Bezos, had said these tips and tricks in their several interviews. Even Sir Warren Buffett discussed all these in his last interview, and you could truly get rich. I have personally tested these, and these have given me huge profits. Because of these, I could make more than millions monthly. You could also transform your life by following these. You could also adopt some more good money habits to increase your wealth. Also, you could invest in stocks, bonds, certificate of deposit, CD, mutual fund, fixed deposit, FD, gold, and other assets to grow your wealth. Press the like button if you loved watching this video. One like motivates us to make more amazing financial videos for you all. Share this video with all of your friends, relatives, and family members for them to learn. Add a comment below if you are having any queries or suggestions. Thank you for watching the video till here.